Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can separate them into two fractions. The first one and the second one. Now I will go to the first one. For the first one, we can put about the function in here. Now, if I put negative s go in here. So on this one, we will have about negative s and we have negative s. So on numerator, you got about negative 4s. On the denominator, because we have the power 2, this is about even power. So because we have the even power, this one you got about positive. And that is equals to negative f of s. So that means this one is about odd function. Because the bounds is symmetric from negative b over 3 to positive b over 3. So this one should be about equals to number 0. Now we go to the second one. We can use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to sin s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have cosine s ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to negative b over 3. So we put about negative b over 3 go in here. And you got about u equals to negative the square root of number 3 over 2. When s equals to b over 3, we put this one go in here. So we have u equals to the square root of number 3 over 2. So I will put this one go in here. And this one go in here. Sin s we change by u. Cosine s ds we change by du. Now, the integration of this one, we have all time of u. And we put the bounds from negative of the square root of number 3 over 2 to the square root of number 3 over 2. And now we have the final answer. So we put this one go in here and this one go in here. And then we change the sign and you got like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.